I'm just gonna thaw out my fish, and I'm not gonna scale them or anything. I'm just gonna go ahead and fillet them and I'm gonna remove the skin completely, so no need for scaling. I'm just gonna fillet it and remove the skin. And I'm not sure if these have pin bones or not. It looks like they do based on this line, so I'll remove the pin bones too, so I have a clean fillet. Then we're gonna do the egg wash, breading, Cajun seasoning. Alright guys, we're gonna start filleting the fish. We're gonna do a basic fillet, starting from right here behind the dorsal fin, cut towards the head. Here's your fillet, guys. So here's what I'm gonna be using for my breading. It's a Louisiana fish fry, and it's seasoned crispy. And I'm also going to be seasoning it with a little bit of Old Bay. Okay. Alright guys, so here we have all the fillets. And I dried off the fillets real good, because I don't want them to have too much moisture. I want them to suck in all the moisture from this egg wash. Okay. Give it a couple rolls, dump it right in there. Give it a couple spins right there. Okay. There's your first fillet. We're gonna put all of them in there. Look at that. Wow. That's some good stuff.